Welcome to Sys Techs. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some simple steps to kickstart your journey into practical machine learning and AI using a high-performance computing (HPC) cluster. First, download the right software to connect to the cluster. Then, use an SFTP client to upload your code, datasets, and anything else you'll need on the cluster. Next, create and activate your job environment. This is where you'll run your tasks. Get familiar with the cluster's resources, especially the idle nodes that are ready for use. Now, the important part: write a shell script to submit your job to the cluster. This step is key. Submit your job and make sure to note down the job ID for tracking. Check your job status as it runs, so you can monitor progress. Once it's running, access the node to confirm that your job is using the right resources efficiently. Finally, log out, and come back later to check your results.